have another unboxing, and this is from Louis Vuitton. And the story of this purse is, I've been obsessed with this purse, and I've been looking online and I can't seem to catch it. So I asked my SA if she has this, and she told me that they have one from the warehouse, and I immediately ordered it, and I waited. 2 weeks have passed and the purse is not here still. So I texted her and she told me that apparently it was not shipped. So she looked for the same purse again, and luckily she found it. She found it from another Louis Vuitton store as she searched. So here it is. So finally, after like more than 2 weeks of waiting, it has arrived. So I have not seen this in person, but only in pictures. And this is what it looks like. I hope I'm gonna love it. So I'm so excited. So this is it. Okay, let's open it together. And this is the purse. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It looks big in person actually. So it's a Bumbag, and yeah, so I'm so excited to try it on. What do you think, guys? It's like squishy and soft. Let me see if I can extend the strap. Okay, so it has a zipper at the back, which can fit our cell phone. And then it has a huge zipper compartment here. So this is the number. With the here. So this is made in France, which is nice. So some say that the zipper is cumbersome when opening and closing, but we'll see. So I have put it in the third hole, and I'll try it on again one more time. It's pretty. I actually love it. I'm so happy that it turned out well. Well, you take care, guys, and thank you.